Welcome to Hatcher Pass, one of the most popular and beautiful recreational areas in the entire Matsu Valley. Whether you want to go skiing in the winter, hiking, or paragliding in the summer, we have put together a video for you showcasing the top 5 ways to experience Hatcher Pass for yourself. Now, our absolute #1 tip is, of course, to check if the road is even open. Normally, the road closes down around September 15th and then opens again in July. Otherwise, as we head off to our #1 stop, we actually already passed by one of my favorite places in Hatcher Pass, which is the iconically red Hatcher Pass cabins. 2 years ago, Tyler and I planned an entire trip to Hatcher Pass around staying 2 nights in these beautiful dry cabins. The views were epic, the cabins were small but cozy, and the sauna was one of the most unique saunas we've ever been to. Are you gonna sit?
Oh, that's it.
The best part was having just about the entire valley to ourselves once all the day trippers went home. And if you're looking for a place to stay overnight in Hatcher Pass, then this is it. Our second favorite thing to do in Hatcher Pass, which is technically our first stop of the day, is the Independence Mine. Here you can learn all about the gold rush in the area, plus you can actually go gold panning for yourself. Which is exactly what we did a few years ago. For only $5, we rented all of our gold panning gear, they brought us out to the creek and taught us exactly how to pan for gold. And we even found a few flakes to take home with us. Oh yeah, you can see the speck.
Yeah, cool.
Yeah. Harry, come show me. Oh yeah.
See it?
If you're more curious about the mine, then there's a few hikes you can head out on that are all fairly easy.
I made it to the top, and it's a beautiful view up here. You can see the whole mining town down there where they have paved paths.
They all have signs that you can read along the way that teach you about the mine and what life was like for the miners, and eventually why they ended up leaving the Hatcher Pass area.
Alan! Alan!
What's the real reason we came here?
To give them some popcorn. I'm gonna be very sad if they don't have it. The oil was frozen, so they have enough now to make one batch, so we're gonna buy a bag of popcorn. Just have a good one.
Thank you. Got your popcorn.
This is a good trail snack. You better have some before I eat it.
I know, I'm gonna have to hold on to it.
All right.
Gimme. So our third favorite thing to do in the Hatcher Pass area is, of course, enjoy all the epic hiking trails that they have. In the past, we've usually stayed around the April Bowl area, which is pretty easy and brings you to some beautiful lakes. But today we're trying out the Gold Cord Trail, which is also supposed to be pretty short. It's got a little bit of an elevation gain though. And if you're really looking for an epic hike out here, there's the Reed Lakes Trail, which you can hike out, I think it's like 10 miles, and it brings you to this abandoned crash site of a US Air Force bomber and a glacier view. But we're not in the mood for a 10-mile hike today. We have officially made it to the very end of the trail, and the view is absolutely stunning. The sun is coming out, and this is the perfect place to just relax, enjoy the views, and if you're up for it, I bet you could even do a polar plunge up here.
Let's see you rock climb, Deborah.
I'm a pro now. I made it out here.
Good job.
You can call me Deborah the Mountain Goat.
All right.
No, don't call me that.
Deborah the Mountain Goat, here we go. You made it.
I made it. Before making it to our very last stop of the day, we figured it would be best to fuel up a little bit right here at the Hatcher Pass Lodge. We got chili and a salad, and honestly, I think it's the perfect little mix before we share experience #4.
Good.
As we make our way to our last and final stop of the day, I thought I would mention experience #4, which happens to take you into the backcountry of Hatcher Pass. Today, we are heading off to go ATVing out here in Hatcher Pass. Is it an ATV? Or a side-by-side?
A UTV.
The UTVs are fully heated, the fall colors are coming through, it's bound to be a good time.
And it's rainy, so we get to go through the creeks. It's gonna be fun and muddy. I'm excited.
As we took off, we quickly realized that choosing the enclosed and heated UTVs were 100% the way to go. We had no idea just how much fun we would have on this adventure.
Maybe leave a little more distance. My parents are so We only took out a tree, it's alright. We got our boots. What is happening?
That was nuts! That was insane!
Good job!
This UTV experience turned out to be one of our favorite tours we've ever taken in Alaska, and the amazing fall colors didn't really hurt either. Our very last stop for the day here in Hatcher Pass is this abandoned bus, which the history of this bus is a little bit hazy, but it's super unique. Everyone always loves stopping here, and it's definitely a quirky little find here in Hatcher Pass. Tyler, going in.
No, this thing's scary.
You've been in it before.
I know. Well, that was 3 years ago. Now it's even worse.
And with that, we have completed our list of our top 5 experiences right here in Hatcher Pass. So if you enjoyed that video, make sure to subscribe, and we will see you on the next Alaskan adventure. Bye!